Hello, dear friends. Today we have a very important question and we will solve with the formula and you will enjoy this whole calculation. You can see a one tube and tube heat exchanger in this slide and today's question is based on this tube and tube heat exchanger. And the question is, if water is to be heated to 85 degree Celsius from 20 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 kiloliter per hour through a tube in tube heat exchanger, how much steam will be consumed if steam pressure is 3 kilogram per centimeter square? So this is the question, and how to calculate the steam quantity. So let's see in next slide. So you can see the available data from this question is the water flow rate is 5 kl per hour, or you can say 5000 kilogram per hour. And the water temperature rise called delta T from 20 degree Celsius to 85 degree Celsius is equal to 65 degree Celsius is the delta T. Specific heat of water CP is 4.186 kilojoule per kilogram degree Celsius, and the steam pressure is available 3 kilogram per centimeter square gauge is equivalent to 4 bar absolute. Saturation temperature 143 degree Celsius, and the latent heat of the steam at 4 bar absolute is equal to 2100 kilojoules per kilogram approx. So the this data is from our question. Now how we will put these all data in the formula and calculate the steam consumption. In the continuation to calculate steam consumption, first of all we will calculate the heat required to heat the water from 20 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. And the formula is Q is equal to mCp delta T, 5000 into 4.186 into delta T, 65, and the available heat now 13 lakhs 60,000 kilojoules per hour. Yes, now to calculate the steam requirement to heat the water from 20 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius, we have to calculate the steam flow first. That is Q divided by latent heat, and the steam flow is equal to 648 kilogram per hour to heat the water from 20 degree Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius, and the mass of the water is 5 kl per hour. So dear friends, this is the calculation how you can calculate the steam consumption of a flow application. Here I want to clear one thing, that we have another video where you can see the non-flow application where you heat the substance in a batch way. Here is a continuous flow. So please stay connected with us for such kind of calculations or applications. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.